Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly recommended waffle makers on the market, the Breville Smart Pro 2-Slice Waffle Maker. If you're serious about making perfect waffles every time, this might just be the appliance you've been waiting for. The Breville Smart Pro is a game-changer in the kitchen. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design, this waffle maker doesn't just look good on your countertop, it also delivers top-tier performance. It's built with thoughtful features that make it stand out from the competition. Whether you're in the mood for classic, buttermilk, Belgian, or even chocolate waffles, this machine has you covered. Thanks to its innovative Waffle IQ, the Smart Pro automatically adjusts the cooking time to match the style of waffle you're making. This means you'll get consistent, perfectly cooked waffles every single time without the guesswork. What's more, the Breville Smart Pro comes equipped with a browning control feature, offering 12 different settings, so you can get your waffles exactly as crispy or light as you like. Want to add just a bit more browning without restarting the process? The "a bit more" button lets you do just that. It's a clever touch, designed based on real user feedback, and it ensures you'll never have to worry about undercooked or overcooked waffles. But let's talk about convenience. One of the standout features is the no-mess mode. If you've ever had waffle batter spill over the sides of your maker and create a mess on your kitchen counter, you'll appreciate this. The mode catches any excess batter, keeping everything neat and tidy as you cook. And with the non-stick surface, cleaning up afterward is a breeze. Your waffles won't stick, and there's no scrubbing required. When it comes to heat distribution, the Smart Pro doesn't fall short. Thanks to its Thermal Pro Even Heat technology, it ensures that your waffles cook evenly, eliminating those frustrating pockets of raw batter or overcooked edges. You'll get a perfectly golden brown result every time, no matter the waffle type. With a wattage of 1000 watts, the Breville Smart Pro offers powerful performance, yet it's compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens. Plus, it includes a BPA-free dosing cup for easy, mess-free pouring of your waffle batter. All in all, if you're looking for a high-quality, reliable waffle maker that delivers consistently perfect waffles with minimal effort, the Breville Smart Pro 2-Slice Waffle Maker is definitely worth considering. It's loaded with features that make your waffle-making experience faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product critiques on the latest kitchen gadgets and more. Happy cooking!